Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters: your Chromecast, TV, and phone. Plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port and connect its power. Use the included adapter for stable voltage. Turn your TV to the matching HDMI input so the device can display the setup screen. Once done, unlock your phone and ensure it's on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use. This enables device discovery. Make sure you're signed into your Google account because the device links to that account during initial configuration. Open the Google Home app and tap the plus sign to add a new device. This kicks off pairing. You'll see a short code on the TV. Confirm that same code appears in the app so you know you're connecting to the correct unit. Allow Bluetooth and location permissions if the app asks. They help auto-detect and streamline setup. Next, choose your Wi-Fi network and type the password. Naming the Chromecast helps you pick it quickly when casting from apps or devices later. Finish the remaining Google Home prompts. Allow any firmware updates, assign the Chromecast to a room, and enable optional voice features if you want hands-free control. Once complete, test casting by opening a compatible app, tapping the cast icon, and selecting your device. Audio and video should appear on the TV. If something goes wrong, try a simple reboot. Unplug the Chromecast and router for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This resolves most network or discovery problems because it refreshes connections and clears temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.